Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply connect your FXCM to TradingView. Now this is extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to any chart. In my case, I'm going to open up the gold chart right here, which is XAUUSD. From here, you just want to click on the trading panel at the bottom of your screen, and then you will be able to find this pop-up menu. Click on Show All Brokers, scroll up, and you have the Find Broker option. You simply want to search for FXCM. It will show up right here, which is at 4.3. Click on it, and then you will be able to simply integrate your FXCM account onto TradingView. Unfortunately, this cannot work if you are not on your account, so let me just log in my account real quick before we head over to the menu right here. Click on the Connect button, and from there, it will prompt you to the FXCM where you have to type your username, your passwords, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.